In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello labels and colors to prioritize your work. If you're opening Trello for the first time or just want to polish your workflow, this simple labeling system will make your boards easier to read and your priorities crystal clear. We'll focus on three things: choosing a color scheme, renaming labels so they're meaningful, and applying them to your cards so you can act fast. Start by choosing a color scheme that instantly communicates urgency. A dependable convention is red for urgent or high priority, yellow for medium, and green for low. Sticking to these traffic light colors gives your brain an automatic cue. Stop and handle red items first. Keep yellow on your radar and leave green for when you have room. The key here is consistency. Pick the colors once, share the meaning with your team, and keep it the same across boards so there's never confusion. Next, rename the labels so the colors translate into clear actions. Open any card, click labels, then hit the pencil icon next to the color you want to adjust. Replace the generic color name with something specific and actionable. Think high priority, needs review, or low effort. Short, punchy names work best because you want them to be scannable. You can always tweak the names later as your process matures, but giving them intent from the start turns colors into decisions. Finally, apply the labels to your cards. In the Labels menu, just click the label to attach it. You'll see it appear on the card right away. You can add more than one label to the same card, which is perfect for context. For example, a card might carry high priority and marketing, signaling both urgency and department at a glance. Use combinations sparingly so your board stays clean, and feel free to remove a label as the situation changes. The goal is to make your board tell the truth about what deserves attention today. That's it. Simple, visual, and powerful. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.